everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. We're going to go ahead on our Kikuyu lessons. We've been having a few things learning, and I hope everyone is moving on and getting better in their Kikuyu skills. So today we're going to learn about the language. We're going to learn about colors. So I'm going to teach you how we pronounce the colors in Kikuyu, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So let's go ahead. We're going to start right away from basic colors. That is color black. Black is called Jiro. Now we're going to go ahead with color white. White, this is how you say it. Ragi muero. Between the name of color is called ragi. Color ragi. That's why you hear me say ragi muero, color white. Now I'm going to go back one step and I'm going to repeat color black. Now you say this ragi moiro. Now we're going to go ahead with color red. Ragi wa ready. Ready is red. Now we're going to go ahead with pink. Ragi wa pinky. Ragi, as we said, is the name of color. So you say color pink. Ragi wa pinky. Now we're going to go ahead and pronounce brown. Color brown. Ragi wa brownie. Okay, the next color is green. This is how we say it. Ragi wa girini. The next color is purple. This is how we say it. Ragi wa purple. The next color is blue. This is how you say it. Ragi wa blue. Now, as you've noticed, most of the colors are similar to the pronunciation in English. We actually do not have specific pronunciation of colors in Kikuyu. So most of the colors sound very similar to the pronunciation in English. Now I'm going to try and construct a sentence, and just to help you in understanding how you use the colors in your sentence. Let's say, for example, you want to say that person is white. This is how you say it. Modo oshio ni mwero. So modo is person, oshio is you or that, mwero is white. Modo oshio ni mwero. That person is white. Now let's say, for example, you want to say that person is black. This is how you say it. Modo oshoni moiro. Modo oshoni moiro. That person is black. That person is black. Modo is the person. Oshio is that. Moiro is black. Now, let's say for example you want to say that person is brown. This is how you say it. Modo oshone wa brown. Modo oshone wa brown. That person is brown. Modo is a person. Oshio is that. Brownie. Modo oshio ne wa brownie. That person is brown. Let's say for example you want to construct a sentence using color green. I'm going to use an example of a plant that is right here with me, and this is how you will construct the sentence. Let's say for example you want to say that plant is green. So this is how you put it. Ihoa rere nerea girini. Ihoa rere nerea girini. That plant is green. Ihoa is a plant or a flower. Rere is this. Girini is green. Ihoa rere nerea girini. Now, I'm going to use white. Let's say for example you want to say this piece of cloth is white. This piece of cloth is white. Getabaya geke ne quiero. Getabaya geke ne quiero. Getabaya is that piece of cloth. Geke is this. Quiero is white. I'm going to end this video right here, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're going to improve in your skills. If you have any question, feel free to ask me, and feel free to like this video, share it to everyone, and also leave your comments down there. Thanks for watching me, and see you next time. Goodbye.